remarkable case I had. I would really like to share it with you and people around. There was this young boy who had come, he was just in 10th standard.
Okay.
Just imagine he was going to a neurologist.
Mm-hmm.
He had the problems of fits.
Okay.
And the neurologist recommended to go to a psychiatrist as well because he had some doubts that he could be having depression as well. So he was a neurologist medicine and psychiatry medicine. Psychiatrist advised him to go to a psychologist.
Okay.
That's where the parents brought him to me. Now, what happened when he came to me, first 2 sessions, he wasn't ready to open up at all. Speaking to the parents, giving parents tips how to handle him. And eventually, it was like, a can of worms being opened up. We realized over a period of time that his fits were just a pretense. He didn't get in childhood. Okay, I had to be too firm with the parents, that it's okay, don't worry, he'll be fine.
So was it attention-seeking behavior on his part?
It wasn't attention seeking. Somewhere he was a performing student. When he came in 10th, all of a sudden his grades went down and he went into the escapist mode, saying that I just don't want to go to school. I don't want to give my board exams. He had issues and problems with friends. Okay, so my sessions helped him resolve these issues with friends. Help him come out of his complex. And the beauty of it is, the parents are so happy today. He not only completed his board exams, but right now he is in 11th, doing a great job.
That's what we need. We feel so happy when our clients go away happy from our office. That's what.
And I also guided him as to what would be the relevant subject. Here also he was very obstinate that he should be doing science and not commerce, but keeping his capability and interest in mind, giving him the right guidance. Today he is very happy.
Very good. That's nice.